Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos. I'm going to start this project off with this piece of scrap wood that I had. It's just a really small piece, probably, I don't know, 4 or 5 inches long, and it's only about an inch wide. And I'm just going to use the color almond, I believe, and I'm just going to paint the whole thing that color. And then I'm going to set that aside and take this little mini wooden pumpkin that I got from Hobby Lobby. It came in a bag of a bunch of them, and I'm going to paint that with burnt orange. I'm just going to put a quick one coat on there. I'm not going to do the sides or the back or anything like that. Then I'm just going to set that aside while and let it dry. Once it was all dry, I'm going to glue it to the left-hand side of my little sign here. So I'm just going to glue it right there. And then I'm going to take some stamps that I had, and I'm going to stamp out the word pumpkin. So I'm just going to use these stamps. These are from Stampin' Up. I found them on eBay. And I'm just going to stamp out the word pumpkin. So just kind of staggering my letters. I didn't do them perfect. I wanted it to kind of be whimsical and not perfect. So kind of staggered them a little bit, making it just fun. And I'm just using StazOn black ink, which is permanent. So once I have that all stamped out, I'm going to take my antique wax and go around the whole sign. So I just did all around the whole edges, not in the center or anything like that, just around the edges. And I did the backside too, in case, somebody sees the backside. And I really like having the backside of everything done. So I'm just getting that all waxed. Then once I had that all finished, I made a bow using some of the window pane burlap ribbon and some raffia. And I'm just going to take that and glue it right to the top. And this is just a messy bow, nothing fancy. Just kind of piled all of the ribbon together and then tied them off together in a knot with some twine. So I'm just going to glue that to the top. And then finally I decided that the top needed something in between the bow. So I'm just going to take a rusty safety pin and a bell, and I'm just going to slide that right through that twine that I had tied off the center of the bow with, and then close that up. And I think that was the perfect final touch for this. And I think this turned out so super cute, and it was super easy, and you could expand on this idea so much. But thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it inspires you to make one. And as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.